Somewhere, a courier is already carrying something meant for you, not metaphorically. This is how Allah's system actually works. Your answer isn't sitting in a warehouse waiting to be made. It's already in transit. The only question left is when it reaches your door. When a package takes longer than expected, you assume something went wrong. But sometimes a longer route exists because of something you can't see from your end, whether logistics, a safer path chosen deliberately, Allah says in the Quran. Perhaps you dislike a thing which is good for you. The slow route your answer is taking might not be a delay at all. It might be the exact path required to arrive intact, undamaged, at precisely the right condition for you to receive it. You don't get a tracking number for this kind of delivery. You can't refresh a page and watch it move closer, hour by hour, the way you'd want to. That absence of visibility doesn't mean nothing is moving. It just means you're being asked to trust the shipment exists without the comfort of watching its progress in real time. There is a difference between a package that's delayed and one that's been canceled entirely. Delays involve extra steps, extra checks, extra time, but the item is still coming. If your dua feels stuck somewhere between asking and receiving, that's not the same as it being denied. Some things simply pass through more checkpoints before they're released to you. You don't prepare for a delivery by locking every door and walking away. You keep things ready to receive your heart open, your gratitude practiced in advance, your trust intact, even without proof yet. That readiness is what it means to wait well for something you can't currently see. Something meant for you is already in motion. It just hasn't arrived yet. Comment, still in transit. If you're trusting the delivery today, and if someone you know needs this reminder, send it to them. Allah Hafiz.